Welcome back to The Blend. For 18 years, the Las Vegas Adoption Exchange has been finding loving homes for children in foster care. This Friday, they'll join other local child care advocate groups to form a new partnership with Clark County to expand help. And here to share on the Adoption Exchange Summit is Jill Morano, Assistant Director with the Department of Family Services. Good morning.
Hi. Thanks. It's so great to be able to be here and talk about this need in our community.
Definitely, because this forum kind of brings together a lot of people on Friday. Can you kind of walk us through what exactly is going to be happening?
Sure. The forum, and as you briefly mentioned, the Adoption Exchange is not new to Southern Nevada. They've been doing a great job for almost 2 decades of providing services to our adoptive children and their families. What this forum is going to do is sort of take that to the next level. What we're looking at doing is bringing in state and local leaders, philanthropic organizations, charitable organizations, child advocacy organizations to really have direct and concerted conversations about what we can do to help children who are languishing in foster care, children who are in need of adoption, to find adoptive resources.
Yeah, we are pooling all our resources together as a community.
Absolutely.
It is so important for children in foster care to have that positive adult in their lives. Let's just talk about the basics of why that's so important.
So, I think it's the same reason that it's important for any of us. We all need to feel connected. We all need to feel supported. We all need to have somebody that we can go to when we need some help, when we need some advice. And unfortunately, it's even more critical for foster children. We have foster children that age out of the foster care system every year. And if we ask them, who's the important adult that you're going to be able to go to, many times they can't name anybody.
Oh my.
And so helping them to find an adoptive family, to find permanency, allows them to have somebody that they can go to, because the research and the data show us that that children who are aging out of foster care can have some pretty dismal outcomes in life if they don't have that connection. They are less likely to graduate from high school than their peers, they're less likely to attend college, more likely to be homeless, more likely to end up in the criminal justice system. So for kids with those kind of risk factors, it's even more important that they have somebody that they can turn to in times of need.
So how do we turn that around? Can somebody just reach out to try to learn more about either a young child or someone that may be aging out of the system?
Absolutely. We have a variety of ways that the folks can get involved and can help if they're interested. One of our biggest needs, one of our greatest needs, is for foster parents. And we have currently about 3,500 children in foster care and about 1,100 foster homes. So you can see the need is great for more foster homes. And the frustrating part, or the scary part, is that about 85 children last year, and that's about the same number every year, age out of the foster care system. We do have a partnership with Clark County Social Services, and they provide services, case management and financial support up to age 21 for foster children, but there's still a need for mentors, there's still a need for foster parents, there's still a need for people that want to adopt children out of foster care.
There is, and you mentioned to me that the average family takes 5 to 7 years of thinking about adopting before they act on it. So we want to tap into those people right now who've maybe been thinking about it and just feel like, you know what, I can make a difference. This is for me.
Now's the time.
Yeah. How can they communicate with someone here in Clark County? Where are the resources that are available?
So one of the easiest things that they can do is go onto the Adoption Exchange website. That address is www.adoptx.org.
Right.
Or they can just give us a call. The Clark County Department of Family Services number is 702-455-0181, and they can call and we'll get them hooked up, whether they're interested in foster care, whether they're interested in adoption. We'll make sure they get to the right place.
Well, we appreciate you taking out the time this morning to kind of show some more light on this, because it's an important subject to talk about, and thankfully with summits like on Friday, we'll be able to get more resources out there perhaps and form these partnerships to help these children.
Right.
Yeah, thank you for everything you do.
Okay, thank you.
Have a great
Thanks
summit.
for having us here.
They are connecting children who wait in foster care with loving families. If you are interested, contact the Adoption Exchange. Their website and phone number are right there on your screen. They're located on North Town Center Drive, just below the Summerlin Parkway. Do you know